How to fix Binance verification field. Now, if your Binance account is stuck on the verification field, don't worry because I've got some few tips in order to help you fix it. Now, first things first, you want to double check your documents. Ensure that your ID or passport is valid, clear, and matches the information that you have entered. Avoid cropped or blurry images. Secondly, you want to use the correct format. Upload documents in accepted formats like JPEG or PNG and ensure that file sizes meet the Binance requirements. Third, you want to enable accurate lighting. Take your verification selfie in a well-lit area with no filter or obstructions. Binance uses a facial recognition, so clarity is key. Now, check your region rules. Some countries have specific restrictions. Verify that Binance supports full functionality in your location. Lastly, you want to contact customer support. If everything looks fine, but verification still fails, you want to reach out to Binance customer support via their app or website for assistance. Patience is crucial. Verification can take time. Let me know if these steps work for you in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.